Hello, good morning students. Children, coming to our exhaustible resources. We discussed that the natural resources which we get are categorized or divided into exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. In exhaustible resources, we discussed that all minerals or metals or fuel which are limited in number, we should use them carefully, because once used they are exhausted, they are over, and we cannot get it back. So that's why they are called, or also called, non-renewable resources. Now coming to this non-renewable resources, we are going to do two important resources, that is the fuel. One is coal and the other one is petrol. Now coal, as you know, koila, you must have seen it is black in color. Here I am showing you some minerals, and in that minerals you can see the coal. This is coal. These are all your minerals which you will study in the later chapters. They are all exhaustible or non-renewable resources. So coal or koila, which we call, is an important source of power. Children, not only for generating electricity for homes and other buildings, they are also used in factories to produce power. Even the industries or factories, they need power, isn't it? Why they need power? Because they are producing something with the help of machines. Okay, so for producing those things, they need power to run their machines. Think of the things they are making. They are making cars, they are making vehicles and other things, like even the cotton, when they are producing the old cotton mills, the power looms, they are all run by, those machines are run by electricity. We studied, isn't it, our industries, we studied that things are made of small things, like in small scale industries and cottage industry, like plastic bottle, or maybe your water bottle which is made of steel, but they are made with the help of machines. And these machines are run by electricity. As you can see in your home, you have all home appliances like television or refrigerator or washing machine or microwave or your mixer grinder. All these things are run by electricity. Similarly, even the factories, industries, they need electricity. In the, all the shops, they need electricity. Education and institutions, they also need electricity. All your shopping malls, they need electricity. So electricity is mainly produced by coal. Coal is, you must have seen those trains carrying coal. They are goods train. Okay, so it's an important source of power for generating electricity. It is used to cook. Coal is used in olden days. Nowadays we are using all cooking gas and microwave. But ask your parents or grandparents, they will tell you that in the olden days people used to use coal. Even now also many villages you will see some people, they chulha. That chulha, you have that coal. Okay, so coal is used for cooking, for heating. During winter also you must have seen people lighting the fire and sitting, and to generate electricity. It is also used to run steam engines. Okay, in the olden days, trains used to run with the help of coal steam engine, but now we have all electrical and diesel engines. But steam engine and factories, as I told you, very important factories, they need coal to run such big machines. Our country has a large reserves of coal. We'll study in the minerals that especially this Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, these areas coal is available. But they are limited. Of course, we have large reserve, but if we waste it, gone. We will be facing scarcity or shortage of coal later on. So we should use these resources very carefully. Once more, this coal is very important resource. It is used for generating electricity, for cooking, for producing heat, okay, and they are used in home, educational institutions, even offices, even business organization or industries, factories, their steam engines, okay, and our country has large reserve, has lot of coal, but we should use them carefully because they are limited. So this is all about coal, which is a very important natural resources, but it is non-renewable and exhaustible resource. Thank you, children.